Welcome to a new video.
Hi guys, you already know me. I will be your teacher today. My name is Lereiny Arredondo Bryan, and I will be talking about a topic that is so interesting. The topic is the main difference between vowels and consonants. To start, we have to know that the main difference between vowels and consonants are how they are pronounced when the sounds are. For example, the vowels. The vowels are pronounced when the air flows freely with the mouth, without any obstacles. Meanwhile, the consonants are pronounced and we have an obstruction. We have an obstruction can be when the lips touch each other or dental obstruction. Now, I got some samples to use now. For example, this one. We have here a vowel. This is the vowel A. When we pronounce A, we do this. We make this sound. Ah. Ah. You can see that my lips doesn't touch each other. But when we can do it like this. A. A. You can see here, my lips doesn't touch each other. But what happens when we do this? This letter here is a consonant. Then the pronunciation is different. Why is different? Because we have an expression in the lips. It's like the pronunciation of this word is, well, it's not a word, it's a letter. Then we can see this obstruction here, and the mouth dental is a dental obstruction because our teeth are touching. Look. And our tongue is touching to the palate. Now we have those samples. I want to let you this exercise. When we have here two vowels, E and O, and we have here two consonants, B and M. Look, E, V, O, M. What we have to do is analyze these letters and look at each other. We have the sounds. For example, the sounds E, we have to know what sounds is. And the same with all those letters. Thank you.
My name is Crizangela López, and today we are going to learn about phonemes, which are the smart unit of sound in a language. Each phoneme can change the meaning of a word. For example, if I change P in pat to B and say bat, that's why P and B are two different phonemes. Let's try one together. Fam, bam. What is the difference in the first sound? I would like to see your answer in the comment. Phonemes are very important because they can change the meaning of a word. By understanding phonemes, we can improve our pronunciation, listening, and reading skills. Remember, phonemes are sound, no letters. One letter can have different sound, and some sound use more than one letter. So, it's important to focus on sound, no spelling. Let's start about minimal pairs. These are words that differ by only phoneme. They are very useful to practice pronunciation and listening. Examples: pin, bean; sheep, sheep. Let's try one together. Cat, cat. Which sound is different? Right, the last sound is T versus P. Some benefits are pronounce words correctly, listen more carefully and understand spoken English, and read words more easily because we can hear the sound in our minds. By knowing phonemes, we can say English has about 44 phonemes but only 26 letters. This means many sounds are represented by combination of letters. Some English sound doesn't exist in Spanish. So we need practice then to produce correctly. So guys, to summarize, the phoneme is the mental unit that helps us differentiate between all the thousands of words in a language. By learning phoneme and practicing them, we can speak clearly, understand better, and read faster. And now I will hand the over to my partner, Hallery, who will explain the sound difference and how they relate to phoneme. Thank you for your attention. Let's keep practicing this sound with phone game and exercise.
Hello everyone, I'm Hallery, and just as Crizangela has just explained to us, phonemes are those minimal units of sounds that, when changed, do modify the meaning of a word. But now, allow me to take us a step further to explore a sound variation that is just as fascinating: allophones. Allophones are the different ways a single phoneme can be pronounced, but the key and the big difference from phoneme is this. Phonemes change the meaning, like P and B, and the allophones only change the sound, but not the meaning. The message we carry remains the same. To make this very clear, we are going to do an exercise to feel this variation in action. Put your hand in front of your mouth, like this. Now we are going to say the phoneme P in two different English contexts using the word pen and span. Say pen, pen. Did you feel a small puff of air, puff of the palm from your hand? Now say span. Notice carefully this time is almost non-existent, right? That air you felt in the first words, it is called aspiration. In pen, the P is aspirated, and span, the P is unaspirated. Both pronunciations sounds different, but they are both the same phoneme P. They are simply two versions or two allophones of that phoneme. We hope that with this explanation, you have learned to clearly distinguish between phonemes and allophones. Understanding this variation is key to improving both pronunciation and comprehension of speech.
Hello guys, I'm Neurin Uziel. I'm talking about this topic, a syllable. A syllable is a sound, a group of sounds that pronunciation with one word or one pulse of the voice. Every syllable contains at least vowel sounds, which is the nucleus. Okay guys, it's easy. Let's keep it simple. Um, what? How many syllables does it have? Table. Think it. Right. Two syllable. Table. It's easy. Let me see. How many syllables have window? Think it. Right. Excellent. Two syllable. It's easy. Let me see another word. Beautiful. How many syllables does it have? Beautiful. Right. Three syllable. Beautiful. It's more easy.
Now, I'll give you a conclusion. Understanding phonemes, allophone syllables, and the fundamental distinction between vowels and consonants is absolutely key to decoding and mastering the sound system of English. Phonemes represent the core meaning distinguishes sounds, while allophones are their subtle context-dependent variation, both crucial for clear communication and natural sounding speech. Vowels form with an open vocal tract, invariably unsure every syllable,
providing its sonorous score, with consonants then providing the necessary structural boundaries through various forms of airflow obstruction. Together, these interconnect elements form the intricate yet logical framework of spoken English. A solid grasp of how these components interact is therefore essential, not only for accurately understanding what is here, but also for effectively producing the language with clarity and confidence.